Hi, my name's John. Welcome to another Sunday night nightcap. Tonight's nightcap, I've got loads of different things going on. Actually do a little bit of wood butchery, some woodwork. I'll show a little bit of that. I go to a lad's house over at Castleside. I've been before. The guy does windmills. He's actually built another windmill which is up and running, and from the windmill he generates 24 volt DC which runs his whole workshop. He's got a big long lathe there. He had that running on 24 volt DC. I'll show a little bit of that. I do quite a lot of work on this little vertical steam engine. I'm trying to get it ready for next weekend, which is a local steam rally to us, Corbett Steam Rally. I'm going to do the draw for the 1 to 2 inch 1 right micrometer. There's nobody here, so I'll have to do it myself. So I have the hand in the little bucket. One right from the bottom somewhere. Right, there's one. Gary Grego. There's no way I can possibly pronounce that. I managed to get the Gary bit and that's it. Right Gary, so all you need to do is contact me with the address and I'll get this micrometer posted off to you anywhere in the world. As I say, completely free of charge. The winner of last week's draw, which was for the set of Banggood drills, emailed us. The lad actually lives in Canada and he's got lots of drills, so he says I can just redonate them, we raffle them, which is just as well because it would have cost me a fortune to send them to Canada. So as usual, this is going to be the prize again for this week. If you want to go at winning this, all you have to do is send me an email. That's my email address up there. Email containing your name, your full name, like John Mills, not just John. Your name goes into the bucket. If it's drawn out, you win a prize. I'll post it off to you anywhere in the world, completely free of charge. As I keep saying, it's just a way of giving a little bit back for all the help and support I've had. I went to a car boot sale last Monday, different car boot sale than I've been before, and I bought some nice items. I'll show a little bit of that. There's also another tool come from Banggood for us to review. This time it's a set of crowbar drills. I'll give you a quick look at them. They actually look decent quality. I don't know, I might get them done this week, probably end up being next week. Anyway, we'll have a quick look. I went to a car boot sale last Monday on the bank holiday and I bought these. I only wanted that, the 27mm. That Kennedy spanners are good gear. That's for actually a Labrador oil filter. And I got the whole set for £10. Then there was a size small set of Whitworth spanners, which basically look unused. Germany. It could be a Laura. I've had a Laura gear before. Just chrome vanadium. Made in West Germany. So they're going to be nice to use on the little steam engine. They were £2. But the best of all was this. A nice little machinist level, which I got for a £5. There's a little bit of rust on there. This is made by Rayburn & Sons, England. A nice little machinist level. I haven't actually got one. I've got one, but the one I've got is not as good as this. And it's adjustable on the end there. So all in all, a very, very nice weekend at the car boot sale. Right, this is the set of drills at Banggood & Sons. They look good. I don't know, I'll have a big play with them this week. 1 to 10 metric crowbar drills. They certainly look alright. They've got to be better than the last drills I tried, anyway.
So that's the generator for the 6-bladed windmill.
I will run nice and true anyway.
Yeah.
It's our local steam rally at Corbridge next weekend, and I'm hoping to have this steam engine up there running off Richard's boiler on the Sentinel steam wagon. The cylinder end cover which I made, I actually soaked it in vinegar and I left it outside in the rain for 2 or 3 days, in fact about a week. And I brought it in, I had a quick clean out of it with some WD-40 in the Scotch-Brite, and you can see the effect it's had. It's put some pitting marks into it. It's made it look old, which is what I wanted, because it was looking too nice and bright and shiny. But now it's got a little bit of patina about it. It'll look a lot better. It won't look out of place. Certainly looks better than a nice brand new clean item. It looks like it's got a bit of age about it. One job I do need to do is make 3 more studs. It was quite a while ago I drilled and tapped and put thread inserts in there because they were stripped, and I did at least 1/4 inside to try and keep it as original as possible. So I'll make 3 more studs. You could just screw some studded bar in there, but it looks better with proper studs like that. Basically on 12mm. 12mm is plenty of thread to get a nice hole in there. Just going to put a little lead on the end of the bar for the die to start. I'm just going to get fail to do this. See, I've got no jewellery on, no shirt sleeves. That's all it needs. Just put a little mark on for the depth of thread. It's not that critical, but just a way to stop at that. Just going to thread this by hand. Right, it's a nice clean sharp thread, just what I wanted. As I've said before, this engine's, all the sizes are unique. That means nothing's been made the same size. So I'm going to do each stud in turn. Just use that to mark the height and then cut that off and thread it. Try and carefully not to cut your fingers off, of course. I think the hacksaws seem better ideas. One advantage of using a collet is you can grip on the thread, it doesn't damage the thread as long as that's sensible. You must admit that looks a lot better than just a piece of quarter stud and screwed in. Same height. And by using the UNC nuts, the UNC nuts are bigger. The 6mm nut would just look wrong on there. They look splendid. There's two more to do. I need to make some sort of a oiler tap to go in there. A little bit of graphite grease on the gasket. Excellent. Yeah, I can fasten that on now with some nice authentic nuts. Right, when I got this, these studs were all stripped and pissed, and they're all nice now though. It's all nice and bright and shiny. Bollocks, man. Right, put the little tab back together. A little bit of graphite grease on the taper. John, you clumsy bastard. Right, Gary, so all you need to know, idiot,